bayada nina besilo ndaba ezitha kuyaphuthuma sicela kungenziwani ilima lapha nakoma mash and mash mabungene kwi mash and mash ngenhloso ethize ubona ukuthi usuyitholile into obuyifuna kwi mash and mash just get out imash and mash thina siyazi iyodwa imash and mash siyazi kweka Jesida mangabe wena uduba ukuthi ngeke uze kumashwe koze kuyophela ilokhuza khona manje nihlokoze enye imash manje nalo fana lo nakufana no Debo livukele ngaphezulu lo enitheni uyinkosi wayefihliwe wena lolu uhlanya lolu ingize uhlanganise nalofa nomncane lo wazohlanganisa nalesi sidimdime esuwena ngizwahlanganisa naleli ixokilele lu wena sekufaye manje niyahamba manje ne goal manje angazi Gauteng ngibabone ngibani manje Brinkwood akwazi nanokukhuluma futhi yona le nkosi le iyathanda nanoPaula ayikwazi nanokubiza memorandum ithi memomdamu uyabona nje ngizwe mfethu sicela niphume nibafowethu ningaqhamuka nifeni isihluku imash and mash bese niba nalabo bantu bese niyahlubuka nizovula enye into wena sizoniponya thina bafethu sonibonye imash and mash siyazi iyodwa mawuvula iqembu lakho ulibize ngeligama ningalibizi ngemash and mash yayizwa leyo okungcono ngathi mash kuphela mawusuthi mash and mash usobiza iqembu lika Jesida nithani wesidakelo nabafethu yabona bonke labantu laba bafike bejoin imash and mash umuntu afika athole lento la ifunayo is either mhlawumbe unikezwa maSulumane noma unikezwa lokho kuthiwa yini namaPakistan lokho kunenwele ngathi zamandiye niyakwazelwa nini sizonibhonya bukani isitru sonibhonya bafethu mama nifike nilide ngisho ema meeting nisonibona nivele kancane lapha nezimotini lezi engadubuleki khona lokho kufanele ukuthi abantu bekubone kwakhona lapho uthi wena ngizwe awulungile kade futhi newangalunga ngiyazi nje ukuthi ubasenzisela umuthi nje ngalesikhathi besenzisela umuthi ababoni bayakhohlwa ukuthi ungizwe usekaba yidistinct usewaba isam ngasho kodwa namanje futhi manje edonsa ke manje le nkosi ke manje na useyithathe manje wayibuyisela ecayithu wabona beluthi uphayile umthakathi wathi ayisuke yayithatha manje ungizizwe uyibeka la ecaleni naye okuyisifuthi udebe inkosi yami ungazi ufunga ukuthi kade ifuthi impempe noma ivuvuzela imemondam nami nongizwe ngani zakwethi ayisekho lento senibhodlele emswaneni niyabona ukuthi nikhuluma nje imali igcwele amaphakethe ningazosidakela noyithola ke nje induku la nizoyithola nje induku niyanisibhazisele nje wena ngizwe yilo mfana lona lo inkosi lethe ayifihliwe yilo mfana ngazi nithe nomfazi omkhulu noma yini isidudla lezi nizoyithola induku uNkulunkulu kuyanitshela mina unigaxa induku nje mina ngigaxa induku kuyanitshela double udebe
right yeah angabuzi wawayapho phakela akazi ngisho Mozambique yeah imbongolo nje futhi amakhala nje mangabuza ukuthi uJacinta ukhishwa uyakhishwa umuntu okhishwayo uthi I'm taking you out to Dubai yeah yabona manje
yazi I wish I could find this funny njengabanye abantu I wish I could find this funny, but it's not funny. Ayihlekisi lento nakancane. We are talking about a national issue here. We're talking about people's livelihoods, and it's a joke to him. Yabo? Bengisi ngeke ngi-address in detail le ndaba kaMchunu, but ngiyabona ukuthi iyadinga ukuthi siphawule. Ungizwe simnikeze too much of attention whereas he did not need or deserve attention. Siyesa wahleka kakhulu amahlaya akhe, so much so to the point where izenzo zakhe azibina mphumela nezinkulumo zakhe eyibheke eceleni azibina mphumela. Impilo zabantu lezi abantu ebebethembe wena Macingwane, impilo zabantu abantu ebebethembe wena, it's people's livelihoods abantu ebebethembe wena ngokuthi uzobahola ubaholele endaweni efanelekile, but it's all a joke to you. It's all about money to you, it's all about fame to you, it's all about ukuhleka nokusineka nokuveza amazinyo kwena, ngoba phela it's not your livelihood that is affected. Uyakuthanda ukukhuluma kabi ngabantu, ukhulume ume la uthanda khona ngamagama abantu, ubathuke abantu, ubabize ngeimbongolo, ubabize ngawo wonke lamagama wasebenzisayo. Umdala momngaka Macingwane awusiyona ingane. Umdala iyaphoxa lento ngoba it's not said for thina soqhubeka nomzabalazo wokulwela amalungelo abantu bakithi. Soqhubeka nawe asinankinga. Noma ungayiveza kubuxoki bakho, noma ungayiveza ubumenemene bakho, noma ungayiveza ukuthanda kwakho imali, noma ungavezani. Thina sizoqhubeka and thina soqhubeka sibeseka laba abaphambili abalwela amalungelo wabantu bakithi. You don't deserve any airtime. You don't matter kulento esithi sisamukuyenza. Usuyitholile ke into oyifunayo, phuma ke kuthina.
Yes, I used to hear people say ukuthi iqhunu thina siyalazi nalo selingenile kule ndaba siyalazi iqhunu akukho lapho iqhunu elingena khona kungamosheki or kungabani nento ayisizobona khona. I used to see comments like that and I didn't understand what they mean from abantu base KZN ukuthi iqhunu siyalazi iqhunu nalo selingenile siyalazi iqhunu akukho lapho iqhunu elingena khona kungabani something. I didn't understand ngoba ungizwa I know him just recently from being a media person and I think he was also a member of the ANC. And yeah, here's my take on the issue. Yes, one thing we must be as a people based on my observation, what I look to March, the first one, and a Besel Kulili March, when the one that was in KZN, when Pagilum Tagat, Jacinta, they had mobilized enough people. I think it was one of the biggest match or the beginning of big matches last year when they wanted to go E Point. I did go to that match, me. I was there. And then they couldn't go to E Point because Amapoisa, they did not allow them to go to buy E Point. Right? And then they ended up marching around again, a takeaway. Okay? Whereas Upagilum Tagati has always been there from the beginning. On that match, number one. And then that's when I started to see Lama comments. But I couldn't join. There's going to be a problem. But I didn't understand what they meant. A red flag for me was when they had an issue no Malema, and then he used a platform he March and Nama protest to good Lababan book figure Umelubahan. He used that platform Ukulambast Umalema to such an extent that Umalema opened the case against him. And in my view, that was very wrong platform Ugulambast Umalema. Because around the same time, Umalema will be kulma something against the match. And then I remember Jacinta Umangobese came after Kubene situation whereby his houses were burnt down. Lape Emakai came, and then there was a short conversation. Lapuba Kuluma. Mr. Zuma, the husband to Umangobes, was also there, but Jacinta was speaking to on the sidelines to let's focus on this thing. He said that ask for forgiveness or ask for utolo, or he said that you either pay him 1 million, and then ikun Latin something to that effect. Whereas Umangobese wamtela ukuthi no yekela le ndaba yokutuba personal no Malema, because this match is not, Malema is not the target of the match. This issue is bigger than him. This issue is about Lababan Melkut Baha. It's a country matter. That became a red flag for me. Kota Ngayega. I'm explaining my view. Then there was the match Lape in Joburg. And then when there was a match here in Joburg, I was also there. Iku Lati. Because Aban Benga Fonu Ulona U Premier Akulu. Right? They didn't want abantu ukuthi akhulume at all. Iqhunu lathi trying to calm down ama crowds and abantu babe laphaya. Wathi ungizwe ukuthi hayi, we know ukuthi they disappointed us. Kodwa we know ukuthi uPanyaza is one of the most one of the most influential leaders, or words to that effect. Angisakhuluma ukuthi ubethini. Kahle kahle, he was simply trying to calm a crowd so that a crowd can allow Premier with akhulume, and ultimately spoke. Because uPhakile Mthakathi, I think he tried to calm the crowd down, but azange bavuma. Okay. Now, having said all of that, you cannot then come now, Ngizwe, and say ukuthi lama match aganawo impact. You can't say that. Because now, looking in hindsight, for me, Ungizwe, and then party yako, your presence played a part in a sense of ukuthi it brought more attention. God, why attention for March and March was already there. uPhakile Mthakathi wayepheka no Mangobes bayepheka ukuthi ibe ne attention. When you came and added your own attention to the matter. I'm not saying that you did not play a part, a positive. God, you cannot come now and change Uguti and say the things that you are saying now. Uguti Ugmacha has not had any impact. What about this conversation now? It's now a global conversation. Sesina what you call interministerial committees now on repatriation. This matter now Jacinta has been called internationally. So you can't say good Lama March have not had impact, and they will continue to have an impact. And it is the right Yaga March and March to disassociate themselves from you. Jenge ATM disassociated themselves from Ubabsu. Yeah, nothing personal, because they want to stick to a mission. Yeah, March and March, which is March and March till we win. More by mission Yaga Jacinta is not to make money. Lo mama une i-burden enhlizweni yakhe, yena nomyeni wakhe bane i-burden for the country. Lento indlula imali, nina nibona imali nina kuphela. That is even case nathola imali. Nina nibona imali. This matter is bigger than a country. I mean, bigger than imali. This matter, it has generational impact. This issue of illegal foreigners, it has a generational impact. If singayilwisi manje thina generation namhlanje, abantwana bethu nabazukulwane and coming zukulwane, it's going to be an issue. So this matter is bigger than imali, and uJacinta unomthwalo enhlizweni yakhe yena nomyeni wakhe concerning this matter, kodumela ukuthi sinqobe as South Africa. So you cannot come now Ngizwe and say ukuthi March and March has no impact. Ama matches has no impact. You can't. Bengifuna ukulungisa lokho. Bengifuna ukulungisa lokho. March and March till we win. And I'm not a member of March and March, but I support them. Even. Thank you.
Madoda kanti lo munye umntwana nomrasa wayini yenza ukuthi asirasele nemuqosheleni ngoba manje asilali phela nomntwana uyarasa nomntwana uyarasa athi lona bathi uphakela inyoka thina manga unanyoka ephakela lapha unamanga yena kamsabi na angamkhahlela athi we can't march forever. Athena angeke amashe forever. Athena uke waboshwa phela, athena ibandit uke waboshwa yena. Athena isenior laba ama junior laba bajabulela ukutrenda, bafuna ukuthola ama likes lana ku social media. Athena phela kudala sefieldini, athena kudala sefieldini, athi hala ama junior athi la ngoba bamtshela nokusathana waboshwa lapha athi mazikhale athi waboshwa. ndoda awungitshelela mina ngifuna ukwazi ukongitshelela amadoda wena ndoda nguthi bakuxosha lapha eKhozi FM lapha wahamba wena wathi uthwasa bakuxoshile wena mawuthi uboshwe kuphi ngoba wena wahlala only 4 days lapha emaseleni lapha eKZN awuboshwanga uhlele for 4 days lapha uhlele 4 days lapha akakagwejwa akawenze uhlele 4 days lapha manje uzositshela ukuthi wena uke waboshwa hey wathi mina dosanganibuza ukuthi you can't trust a man with an empty stomach ngakumtrust lo muntu lo bamxosha le eKhozi FM la wathi abantu baseKhozi FM basebenzisa imithi bayamloya yena ufuna ukuthwasa hey kwasha kwaci khona manje sekasilethela inkinga manje usilethela inkinga into yokudlala laba majunior la namajunior nakudala sefile ngidala ngiboshwa mina ngidala lento lengiyiphusha adala laba baphusha indlala ebilathi yena nalo omunye lo bathi ungathela Noah ungathela muloyo uphakela abantu bathi beyangithi yena uthi lapha baphuma emithini lapha bathi babanike something ukuthi bayiyeke lento manje lona ngicela ikhanda that's why yena gcina sakathathe imali yebribe ngale so that's why athi yeka lento namasemba athi imoshi economy ndoda ngijele iwazini ngeeconomy wena ongana matric awuna matric phela uwazini ngikho lento le ayicalanga uwele icalo lo sisi lo ya wena usoyalandela ngoba uthanda izinto unomlomo unalili limi mfana unalili limi jeheta hotmont yaba soyangena lapha uzenza ngathi ubusy kanti uyazi ukuthi ufuna ukudla manje bakunikile manje imali bathe uyistop lo nto abona manje ayistopeki manje wena fanele manje wenza make sure ukuthi uyayistop lo nto ngoba umadlanga commission okubiza lapha nonazaza ngathi uyazazi ukuthi isilungu sakho senjani angithi wayitsiba sigwa sawo sapeta ntathu akawayitsiba na or you can't talk the talk uzawopanya lapha olokuthi nasina me not me mina bangisukela mina ngumzula KZN you right vele umzula waseKZN wena uthanda imali wena sakwazi ukuthi uthanda imali wena ucabanga ngesiso phela imendulo of black card ayisebenzi kusebenzisiso la ku manje abantu bakubambise something manje soza lona sitshela ukuthi una experience dala oboshwa hey you can't march forever yento bambe nota phuma ezintweni wena phuma nje ulale uphume siyaqhubeka thina ngemarch and march siyaphambili.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, please comment your thoughts below. Tell us what do you think after watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.